All right, Danielle. In order to get to the ones we want to track, you go down here to my email where it says tracking. Click on that. That brings you to this screen. Now the ones I haven't done yet don't have the asterisks. So let's look at this one. You want to take note of the, one second, let me do something here. This is a little program I use called Clip Diary. It helps when you got to do a lot of cutting and pasting. All I remember is the date that it was shipped, or order date was 2/13. Everything else I cut and copy. We're going to want to know this number we paid, which is the order total, not this item total. This is the discount that Jovela gets here. And we're going to want to get the order number. And lastly, we're going to want to get the internet number, because that's where we find out on SKU Grid, which you're going to need to have up, what the eBay reference ID is. Sometimes this takes a while. I don't know why. Sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's not. Chose this time to not be fast. Okay, there it is. You're going to want to copy this eBay reference ID and then go over here to this version 2 price matching, which is in my Google spreadsheet. You have Control F opened up here. That's how you get this little screen. Paste that number in. Okay, so remember the order date was 2/13. And now we're going to start filling this in. The order number is the eBay reference ID, which is going to be this one. No, I'm sorry, this always begins with a W. The price is going to be that. And then under comments, we're going to want to put the, now we should be having a third account by now. I still haven't done it. But for now, it's reel and drop. All these ones that you're probably going to do tonight are reel and drop. It's going to be a while before we get back to the old account. But that's what you need to do. Let me do one more just for, oh. And you're going to want to go back here and tick this off so we know that it's been done. Alright, so here we go again. Remember the date, 2/10. Alright, click, make a copy of the total that we paid. Alright, make a copy of the internet, or the order number from HD, and the internet number. So we can go to SKU Grid and find out which one this is for. And we're going to get the eBay reference number again, which is here. We're going to take that over to version 2, go up here to Control F, put it in. And here it is down here. Again, the order date was 2/10. The order number, that's the HD number, which is going to be right here. And then the price, which is right here. Oh, there you are. Ha. All right, so that's a nice discount she got. Is that right? She got a $40 discount. I don't know how she did that. Well, that's cool. Basically, what we're looking for, young lady, is for this number here to be higher than this number here. When that happens, we can go get money from Home Depot. But most of the time, you're going to find out it's lower. That means that Jovela is doing her job and getting the discounts. In order for us to collect more money from Home Depot, the number it drops to has to be lower than this. So this one has to be like 50, or rather the vendor price has to be higher. Or the price here has to be higher than what it is now. Then it'll show up in yellow over here. I don't know if you have any yellow. Let me see if I can find an example of a yellow. There's one. I don't think this one is right though. But yeah, when this number here is higher than the vendor price, we get a difference, and that's what we can collect. So that's why we're doing this, in case you're curious. Alright, that should end this.